Hello, hello. Michael Fitzgerald here. Today I thought I'd come on with a quick tip. I was doing some drawing today and I had to sharpen my pencil and I was using the razor like you do, and twice I got the leads broke off, and they're pretty good size. I don't want them to go to waste, and I was trying to think of what I could do with them to not waste them, and I'm going to show you that today. And here's the one I'll be doing. I already did the other one. So he's a pretty good size. And now my pencil is a little bitty, but it's okay. So, okay, I'm going to get a piece of paper and your sharpening sandpaper. And this is pretty easy. So, and it helps to replenish your graphite powder even just a little bit. It makes up for the waste that you use on a drawing for sure. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take it and I'm going to make my own powder, my graphite powder. And this can be used with charcoal pencils also, if you break off your charcoal pencil. And then you can use it for charcoal powder. Charcoal powder is pretty expensive to buy, and so is graphite powder. This tub was about 20 bucks, maybe a little bit more, and it's about the same for the charcoal powder. Okay, and I'm not going to sit and do the whole thing. It's pretty self-explanatory, I think. Okay, and then you can take a brush. Let me find my brush. I had one here a second ago. Okay. Oops. You can take a brush and spread it around on your drawing. And you'll want to keep this in like a box, or if you have graphite powder already, just pour it right in the bottle. That's what I'm going to do. And I have the lid. I've been using my graphite powder today. So I'm just going to make a crease in the paper. I should have done that beforehand, but I didn't. Okay. And tap it down into the crease. And I hope you can see this, and into the lid or into the jar or a box, a separate box if you have one. And that's it. Okay. And that's all the tip for today. Oh, don't forget to do the November challenge. There is still time for that. So, and we're excited to see what you guys come up with. So have a good day, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.